Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba. Please do not forget, before we go much further and deeper into cutting, joining and bisecting and making sure that you understand the trading of the Nasdaq, make sure you click the like and subscribe button, and also please do not forget to share and enable the notification bell so that you can get the ding whenever I upload new videos. So guys, without wasting much of your time, you need to understand that the psychology is the most important factor. As you know that many people are able to trade, many people can analyze, but they fail and they struggle to be able to win the psychological part. Hence, we always say that trading is 90% psychology and 10% technical. So you need to understand that the method of understanding how much you want to risk and how you are planning to take a trade, the rules, the trading steps, you need to be able to make sure that you understand what you are getting yourself into. So make sure that you are able to protect your money. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive deeper into the charts. Yes, we are in the chart now. I want to show you guys something. I was looking at the Nasdaq, and what I'm gonna try to do now is just to show you guys a quick recap. I'm actually going to do this. Let me do this. Okay, you can see everything here. Remove all drawings. Okay, so as you know that the Nasdaq, most people tend to say it is a bullish market. I say never ever staying on the mindset of saying something is forever going up. Always trade what you see, trade what the market is giving you. So I'm just gonna show you something that you need to take part in. As you know, the market will move something like this. Always remember that it won't be a straightforward. Sometimes the market tends to pass through the supports and then comes back. So hence we say we look at the zones. The zones will be the levels where the area. It won't be a specific price. It will be the area whereby the market tends to retest or tends to have double bottoms, double tops, those different types of chart patterns. So let's look at this one. This is Nasdaq. So I just want to show you something. You would have something like this. Okay, yeah, something like this. Okay, then looking at the highest point and the lowest point, first you start. Your highest point will be this one, and then your lowest point will be this one. You see, now I have my point, and I'll look into the significant area. You'll see that the market, this was a resistance before. Okay, let's look at it this way. Where's my, okay, this was a resistance, and now it turned into a what? A support now. You understand? And then take this as well. So this was a resistance. Now here it turned into a support, and so forth. Even this one as well. This turned into a support. So you can see that from the minute that whenever you break, you come back to retest, you would place your buy, and then you place your buy, you place your buy. So having targets is important because you must remember that Nasdaq, what it does, sometimes you would say, yes, we do know we have a greater chance of breaking this resistance, but this can also happen. We can have a move like this, we push further to the up, and then we do come back to retest before we break further. You understand? So in that way, we'll be having a similar type of a correction. Sometimes we can have something similar to this, which we can have in fact. Let's do this. So you can basically see that we are having a similar type of a correction pattern with touches to the bottom side, and you would know that we will further take our trade, push it further up. So you need to understand the rules. You must have a trading plan. Don't just take trades without following your trading plan. That is the most important factor that you need to worry about. You need to learn that whenever you take trades, all the information that you are putting yourself into should be regarded and also placed. You must have steps. The same way that whenever you wake up, it's either you brush your teeth and then drink coffee and then after make breakfast before going to work. So those type of rules are the certain rules that you need to follow. So as I've shown you how we look at the Nasdaq, I'll just dive deeper into the candlestick formations. Okay, I always start analyzing from the higher time frame, and my higher time frame will be the daily chart because I want to know the bigger picture. I cannot dissect the market further without starting from the top. So as we mentioned that we look at the market in a reverse pyramid from higher time frame to lower time frame. So let's look at the higher time frame and look at what we have. The most important thing you need to understand and look at your higher levels. So I am foremost like to look at these levels in a manner of following my set of rules. So I'll start by looking at my highest point. The highest point will be this one from this level, and then my lowest, I'll take this one. Yes, indeed, my lowest point will be this one or this one or this one better, but I like to look at this one because I see it's significant. The market was dropping and then it turned here. As you can see, it turned here. It didn't further go to the downside. So let's look at what we have here. And once I've seen my highest point and my lowest point, now I'd like to see what's happening in between. Then I'll take this one. This doesn't come with ease. You need to practice, guys. Always remember that whenever you are taking your trades, it's a step further into becoming a much more profitable and consistent trader. You need to understand that you're not going to be perfect by just standing from the grandstand and being a spectator. Forex trading is one of the skills that you need to put in the work. You understand? You need to guide yourself. Once you have the mentor, take whatever you grasp from that knowledge and apply it. Don't just say, oh, because my mentor is one of the best traders in the world, therefore I'm going to be successful. No, it all comes within you. Let's look at further. I can see this point here. So we are having a potential double top. You can see we are having a potential double top. Should we fail to break, we are going down. And then should we break, we are going. So you can see from the daily, I already know what I'm looking for. So from this level, then I will start going to my 4-hour time frame. So I can see where we are much closer to the top. So you need to be careful. Don't just take buy trades at the resistance loans. Can you see what really happened here? This was happening. This came down, the retest, and came here, a double bottom, pushed to the upside. You see, it's some kind of a W formation. Maybe this may change the color so that it's much more visible. Yes, you can see it's a W formation. Okay, and within that W formation, we have this zone. You remember what I showed you guys about the zones? You can see here we have a double bottom formation. So we have something similar here. Is a M formation, and then within that formation, look what happened when we started pushing to the upside. We retested this and we pushed. You understand? So always wait for that retest. That will definitely assist you in becoming a much more profitable trader and avoid making more mistakes. Look at what is happening here. Retest, push. Okay. So see this one. So always remember, trading opportunities are like trains or taxis. Once you miss this one, another one is coming. always make sure don't get caught up trying to chase your trades. Okay, so I've shown you just a quick way of analyzing the Nasdaq. So now let me just remove everything and start again. Never be lazy to remove everything and start again from scratch. So now let's start. I've shown you the basics, and now we're gonna dive much deeper and show you and how I'm anticipating the Nasdaq to go. My highest point, my lowest point, okay. And now I'm gonna draw the point in between. Always remember that even if you don't see this point in higher time frame, you can go to 4 hour, and that will help as well. So now I can see, I know that once we break here, must retest, then we push further to the upside. And my first target to be this one, looking at this point. Okay. And coming down. Voila. So now I can take my chart and identify my pattern. So you want to see opening. Voila. So you can see here we have a similar, let's say something like a reversal of shoulder. Yeah. Okay. Can still be completed come to this level here. It's possible. We want to come to this level here, push further up and test this zone before going to the downside. Okay, so let's dive deeper into our time frame now. Let it happen. Then now look at what is happening currently. Okay, let's dive deeper. Dive deeper. So never be in a hurry to take the trades, because you might be forcing yourself to take the wrong trades, not being patient enough. So, okay, I wanted to show you something that I've seen. We had great bullish momentums. We actually capitalized. You can see we capitalized in the previous week, so you can see that we can have at most potential know that your target will be here. because you don't want a situation whereby you buy, you hold, and then it comes back, the market and pushes further down. Because I can see what is happening here. This is for myself. This is what I must drop, retest, then I'll take myself. Then I will know. Then I will take it to this level here. Level, because I've explained, you can see previously we had a break. See, we had a break. Then this retest of this previous, and then we pushed further up, and then we came to retest and push. So you can see we have a W here. Understand? So do this so you can see clearly. This is a W. Understand? So always make sure, try to take the W's whenever you are bullish and take the M's whenever you are bearish. It will definitely assist you. You can see also why you pushed the downside. So make sure you watch it carefully. So this one, you just have to wait, see, because again, see, I actually prefer clean charts. I'll definitely take a scalp buy because I see we have a potential with a scalp buy here, because I see something like this giving us push coming to the test, something like this, because also we have this move and push, retest, then another push. So this is more like my strong support. So I see it's failing to break this, and it's forming smaller patterns. And you can also look at this. This as well. See you looking at the move, but should we break? I'll wait for a retest and take it further down. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family and everyone all around the world. And guys, the channel is growing. We have videos surpassing 100k views. Make sure you click that like button. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss much more valuable content as I drop. Please do not forget, eat, trade, sleep. Eat, trade, sleep. Eat, trade, sleep. It's your boy, Ofentse Ledwaba. Once again, catch you in my next video. Peace.